Hello and welcome to this new lecture. Today we'll design the drawing room of our house model. First, we will see which things are needed in the drawing room. Ignore these stairs because they lead down to the basement, which we're not designing. For the drawing room, we'll need a dining table with chairs, a television, an armchair and a sofa along with a coffee table. Before going ahead, make a new tag for the drawing room fixtures. We'll name the new tag Drawing Room to categorize the fixtures efficiently. We can either make the models for fixtures ourselves or use the resources available. By that I mean the 3D warehouse. Open the 3D warehouse and search for the dining table. We'll look at different models and then decide which one fits best. So this table looks fine. We can click on it to look at it closely. We'll keep looking to see if we can find anything better. Let us have a look at the models made by other users now. This table looks good and fancy, but look at the file size. We don't want to make our model stutter by adding such heavy files. Here is a simple table with a nice wooden texture. I think this will look good in our dining room. We'll download it but save it as a separate file. The main reason for this is to check the downloaded model for any unwanted tags or hidden objects. Save the model to any appropriate location. Now I'll open the model I just downloaded so that I can modify it according to my needs. You should save your previous file and close it before opening any new file. So the file has opened. Now we can inspect it more closely. We do not have any extra layers with the model, but the quality of the table is not good enough. I have another model downloaded from the 3D warehouse. Let's have a look at that one. We want a balance between quality and file size. Alright, so this table looks better. Note that we have an extra tag on this dining table model. Delete this tag before proceeding on to the next step. We'll turn off the shadows and then remove all the extra chairs. We only need one kind of chairs. After removing them, copy or move the same chair to all the empty spaces available around the table. We'll have 2 chairs along the length as well as width of the table because it is mentioned as such in the floor plan. The sides of the table may be adjusted by viewing the size of the table in the house plan. We've now finished editing the table. We'll continue to download the remaining fixtures now. The next important thing is that we need a sofa, and specifically an L-shaped sofa. So, open the 3D warehouse and search for L-shaped sofas. Check the models one by one to find a balance between file size and quality of model. You may check the products category as well. I like this sofa in the products category as it is well made and has a small file size. I'll download it as a separate file once again. Following the same process as we did for the dining table, we'll check the 3D model of the sofa for any extra tags or hidden geometry. So remove the extra tags. Once the model has been inspected, make a component of the sofa. Then save the changes to the file. We'll place these fixtures in the drawing room in the upcoming lectures. Well done, guys! That's a wrap from me today. I'll see you soon for our next lecture.